Welcome everyone. This is the session for guidance for M.Tech admissions in computer science and IT. My name is Vishwadeep. I am an alumnus of IISc Bangalore. So before you will go for M.Tech admissions, you should understand that what are the areas in which you go and study your researches. So first thing is the areas of the research in computer science. There are three broad areas in which computer science department is divided. The first one is theoretical computer science, the second one is computer systems, and the third one is intelligent systems. So first of all, theoretical computer science, in which you will be having automata and theory of computation, formal methods in softwares, software verifications, algorithm design, and so on. Second, computer systems. In the computer systems, you will be having the basic research areas, the subjects or the courses which you have studied in your bachelor's: operating systems, computer architecture, database management systems, compiler design, high performance computing, distributed systems, computer network, and so on. And the last, intelligent systems. In the intelligent systems, you will be having machine learning, data analytics, artificial intelligence, soft computing, cloud computing, and so on. So these are three broad research areas in the computer system. Now you will have to choose the specialization, in which specialization you want to pursue your M.Tech or maybe Ph.D. So if you are choosing any specialization, first of all, everyone will suggest you that you should prefer your own area of interest. So if you are really interested in computer architecture, then you should pursue your M.Tech in computer architecture and you should go for projects in the similar areas. If you are interested in data analytics, then pursue your master's in that specialization. But if you are confused that in which area you should go for or which area you should opt for specialization in M.Tech, then you may follow these preferences. The first preference is data science, machine learning, AI, data mining, cloud computing, data analytics. All these are in the data science. So you can choose this as the first preference if you are really interested to learn these areas. The first thing is your area of interest is in this or not. There will be a large part of mathematics in all these areas. So if you are good in mathematics and you want to go for masters in those mathematical areas, you should opt for data sciences. This is the first preferred specialization for the masters as of now, just because all the current trends, all the current jobs and the high-end salary packages are inclined toward these only. I'll give you one example. Like if you are thinking about, like, the current trend says that data is everything, then don't worry about that. Data is not everything. If you are aware of one of the website which rates the movies, IMDb, that website is having its entire data open. Entire data. You can copy the data and you can copy the same kind of website in a week time or maybe in 2 weeks or 1 month time easily. But kind of machine learning algorithms, kind of data mining they have implemented, kind of AI system they have implemented, the intelligent systems they have implemented, that to clone that or to copy that, it's not easy. So that is why there is only single website till the date we are having for that particular system. So the previous trend was data is everything, store the data, how to store the data and everything, that has gone. Now how to analyze the data, how to use the data to predict what can happen, how to analyze the data to optimize something can happen, all these things will come in this data science course. IISc Bangalore has started one new department called as CDS, Computation and Data Science, just because they knew that the research in this particular area is more important nowadays and in the near future. So you can opt for masters in computer science and you can opt these courses in your masters anywhere, maybe in IITs, IISc Bangalore, everywhere. Or if you are really interested in such kind of courses, you want to pursue only data science courses, then you can opt M.Tech or M.Tech research in IISc Bangalore in CDS department. Just few days back, we got to know a notification came from IISc Bangalore. Again, they have started another course called as MTech in Artificial Intelligence. That again is data science specialization course. You can opt for it and you can be a competitive person in the IT industry. So current IT industry trend is inclined toward data science. That's why this is in the list of most preferred specialization. This is the first top notch. The second one, you can go for high performance computing if you are really interested in compiler design or computer architecture, supercomputers, how the parallel computing is performed. All these areas are really having good future in terms of good job, career, research plus salary packages also. Another area of specialization, high performance computing. But the same thing, if you are really interested in computer architecture, compiler design, optimization and parallel computing and these areas, then you can opt for this high performance computing. Next one is formal method in softwares. This is again really good area of specialization. You can opt for it. Next one is soft computing. In the soft computing is actually the combination of 4 different areas. First one is machine learning, next fuzzy logic, next evolutionary computation and probabilistic reasoning. If we will combine all 4 together, then we'll be having the soft computing part. So soft computing is also really good area of work or specialization nowadays. At the end, you will be having all the computer system courses, like any project you can opt in basic computer architecture or operating systems or cryptography or security or maybe probabilistic theory, which is like used in computer networks, distributed networks, and there are so many other areas in which you can go for your masters. But again, at the end, again, I'll repeat the same thing. If you are opting for any specialization, first of all, you will have to ask a simple question to yourself. First, what do you want to study? What is your preference? If you talk about more detailed knowledge about all these courses, then the courses like high performance computing, computer architecture, operating systems, compiler design, these courses may not be having the mathematical weightage more in the research or the study, but will be having more system and core knowledge. Plus, will be having more detailed coding knowledge. So if you are inclined towards like programming and system working and study, then you should opt for these courses. If you are really good in mathematics and analytics and mathematical analysis and all these things, you can opt for data sciences. But first, choose what kind of interest you are having in what subjects and areas. Next is, if you are going for advantages, if you are going for masters in top colleges like IISc Bangalore, IITs, NITs, IIITs and some other top institutions like COEP in Pune and VIT in Tamil Nadu, Anna University. These are the advantages you can have. The first thing is very high salary package. Students think that I am getting 8 lakh package per annum nowadays, 10 lakhs per annum or 12 lakhs per annum, 15 lakhs per annum in the BTech itself. Then why should I prefer for MTech? Why should I go for MTech? If you are capable enough to get a package of 15 LPA per annum in BTech itself, then you should definitely go for masters, just because there you will be capable enough to grab a package even double than that. This is my own experience. I was a student in a college, then I am a faculty in the GATE domain. I am referring so many colleges and their placement patterns. So many students are getting really high packages from the top IITs and IISc and NIT and top institutions of India after the MTech. So if you are thinking about this, then please change your mind. Package definitely you are going to get from the MTech, IITs, IISc and NITs a huge package you can get, but MTech will be having really extra advantages in your resume plus in your personality. So the second one is job or career in area of interest. First of all, if you are doing only B.Tech and going for the jobs, you will be thrown into the areas in which you will have to work without your preferences most of the time. But if you are doing your project or if you are doing your MTech in the specialized area like data science or maybe artificial intelligence or maybe some other specializations, then you will be able to get the job which will be your preferred job. Like your area of interest is in the CPU design, then you will be getting the opportunity to work in such kind of companies like Intel, ARM and so on. Next thing is preferences for promotion and better increment. If you are going to the company after the masters, then you will be preferred more as compared to the others to get a better increment plus a better promotion or early promotion. Every company is having their own preferences, like 3 years, after 3 years only you can get the promotion, or 2 years or 4 years or 5 years, but the people from IITs or IIScs are creating the exceptions in such kind of things. One of my friend got double promotion in one of the data analytics company in 1 year itself, just because he studied his B.Tech plus M.Tech from one of the top IIT. Other one is personality development. Nobody will talk about this, nobody will teach you this formally in the IITs or IIScs for the master's courses, but yes, there will be the personality changes, the attitude changes you will be getting from the top IITs. The kind of environment you will be getting over there in the colleges, the kind of environment you will be getting for the study plus for the mental discussions with the faculties, with the students, with the research fellows, with the other industrial people, then definitely you will be having lots of personality changes in your life. If you will spend 2 years over there, you will be having an attitude change which will change you to face any kind of challenge in your life. So such kind of things will automatically come. There will not be any formal classes for such kind of things. Kind of environment you will be getting over there, that will change such kind of personality in you. If you are not getting a good score in computer science, first of all, the computer science is very special branch as of now in engineering, just because we don't have the top colleges or limited number of top colleges for the masters. Definitely IISc, IITs are there, NITs are there, new IITs are there, but apart from the IITs, there are so many colleges, private institutions, private universities, IIITs are there. Those colleges are also getting really good students, plus giving you better opportunity for the placements, also high packages in terms of money and good work also in the product based companies. So if you are not able to get into that big domain also in good colleges also, top 1, top 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, normal colleges also, you can opt for your masters. Suppose you are not getting anything as of now and you want to carry forward with your career, you can opt for MTech or any post-graduation course in any normal college. What can be the opportunities you can get over there? The first one is learning opportunities. Whatever you have learned till the B.Tech part, based on that you will be learning the courses in more detail, first thing. Second thing, you will be learning the specialized areas in more details. Based on those learnings, maybe you can get the jobs easily. Second thing, fresh start for the career. So many companies, not even the product based, but the service based companies also are preferring those students who are the students, those people who are the students. So if you have passed your B.Tech, not able to get a good job in some good companies, then you can join MTech in normal colleges. Then after that, in the normal colleges, through the placement process, you can get the job easily, maybe in the product based company, maybe in the service based company, but definitely you will be having a fresh start for your career. So you don't have to be disappointed that I was not able to get the good GATE score or I was not qualified or something. You can opt for MTech in normal colleges also. Normal colleges also are calling so many service-based or product-based companies for the placements. You can get a placement. So if you're not having any aim or not having something with you to go through with your career, then you can opt for MTech in normal colleges also. Other thing is weightage in your resume. Instead of saying I am a B.Tech in computer science, if you are saying that I am M.Tech in computer science, definitely you will be preferred more than the other fellows who are just B.Tech people. So these are the advantages if you are opting for MTech or Masters in normal colleges also. Next thing is advantages of PhD in CS and IT. First thing, everybody thinks about this way. Like if we are going for the PhD, that means we are thinking about academics and only research in the academics. Like in the IITs, IISc or in other colleges, I'll be teaching and doing the research. But that is not true in computer science department. If you are opting for a PhD in computer science department, maybe MTech plus PhD integrated course immediately after your BTech, or either you will go for MTech first, then you will opt for PhD. Then there are so many opportunities in the MNCs, like big product-based companies. You can get the job, higher-end packages, plus really good career after your PhD also as a researcher over there also. So academics are not only the options you will be having after your PhD. So you will be having the options to go as a scientist or a researcher in the private MNCs or PSUs like Amazon.com, Development Center. In India, we are having another IBM Research Lab we are having. These companies are also giving the opportunity to the PhD candidates also, PhD employees also, so that you will be working as a researcher or scientist and you will be getting really good job opportunity, work opportunity plus money opportunity. Other than that, you will be working either as an analyst or architect in the same MNCs, private MNCs or the PSUs. Other than that, very high-end salary packages you will be getting. The people last year passed their PhD, completed their PhD from IISc Bangalore in the data analytics. They are working as data scientists in Amazon.com, maybe in Microsoft, and there are so many other companies. In those companies, they are getting the packages more than 50 lakhs per annum only in India. So these are the opportunities you can get after PhD if you are going for PhD immediately after BTech also or after MTech also. One more institution is there, Indian Statistical Institute, which provides two types of MTech courses, MTech in computer science and MTech in cryptography and security. This institution also you can opt for your masters. As I already told you, the limited options we don't have. We have a large number of options of the institutions to go for your masters. So these two courses, admission procedure is GATE score definitely plus the interview they'll be taking. Other than that, these are the informations few of the students and few of the internet sources have given to me. Highest package last year 2019 from this computer science MTech was 39 LPA lakh per annum. Minimum was 13 and average was around 18 lakhs per annum. So it's not only the IITs or NITs or other institution like this, ISI and IIIT Bangalore, IIIT Hyderabad, Anna University, VIT, Jadhavpur University. There are so many such universities are there in which you can opt for your masters. These are the cutoff marks based on last year's 2018's GATE exam. IISc Bangalore for computer science, the general category GATE score was 894, for OBC category 806. SC and ST are respectively 632 and 509, and some other institutions, some other IITs cutoff is given for different MTech programs and for different categories. You can search or you can opt your preferable college based on these marks and your category. Apart from these colleges and the departments, you should search more on the websites of every institution, just because it's not only computer science department. Everywhere in the institutions, IIT and IISc, there are certain departments which are like interdisciplinary departments in which you can opt for your masters. Like IISc Bangalore, there are multiple departments. SSA, System Science Automation, there you and electrical people are joining together and working together as interdisciplinary courses. And there are some other departments like MTech in AI, as I already told you. Then CDS department in IISc Bangalore, you are having computation, data science. So there are multiple departments in which you can opt for your masters. So you search online on the websites of every institutions and try to get the information that in which and what are the departments in which you can take the admission, and then based on your rank or score and your category, try to apply for the different institutions. That's all. Thank you. All the best for your career.